Solar storm knocks out satellites and raises concern for aviation and power grids. Headline: Solar storm knocks out satellites and raises concern for aviation and power grids. A powerful geomagnetic storm, driven by a massive coronal mass ejection from the sun, disrupted several commercial satellites and forced airlines to reroute polar flights this week. The high-latitude communication blackouts affected aviation operations, and power grid operators in Scandinavia issued warnings of potential transformer damage from induced currents. The U.S. Department of Energy and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration are working jointly to assess impacts on the U.S. grid, noting that modern interconnections and smart grid electronics are more sensitive to geomagnetic fluctuations than older systems. Experts say the incident should serve as a wake-up call. Critical infrastructure needs improved resilience to space weather risks, which were often overlooked during the fossil fuel era focus. They recommend operators upgrade monitoring capabilities, install trigger-based safeguards, and simulate worst-case space weather scenarios in their contingency planning. The event also raises issues for global telecoms and emerging satellite constellations in low Earth orbit, which must now integrate hardened shielding and dynamic orbital management. While no major outages were recorded in the U.S., the incident underscores how a solar tempest could cascade through aviation, grid, and communications networks simultaneously.